Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about Alexa Cast. So what's Alexa Cast? Alexa Cast will let you to cast your music from your phone to this Alexa Echo device or any kind of Alexa devices if you have. So how it works? Okay, for example, for that you need to install Amazon music app. For that you need to go to the Amazon's. For example, download this Amazon Music from your Play Store or anywhere. So once you download that, you need to sign in with your account. So once your account is created, logged in, so you can just click on any song. For example, I'm gonna click on something. I'm gonna click on some song, and so here's the option, right? So you just click on this one. So it will show the list of devices. I just disconnected from that, so you just click on that back. So you can click on this Alexa Echo devices. So I have the Echo connected, so the song will be playing in the Echo right now. So looks like this Amazon has been inspired from the Google guys, because Google Home Mini has this kind of new feature which will let you cast from your music app or any. You can cast like entire screens audio contents to that Google Home Mini. So I'll show you maybe in the other video. So yeah, now this is a new feature guys. Alexa also is Amazon is going on also with that same option, cast option. It's really nice option because what happens is usually, right, you can ask any song from Alexa, it can just play to you, but sometimes it is you don't like unless you see the right the content, you will not be able to see or listen properly. So this is really new feature, because what happens is you can just look for or search for something, and then you can just click on play, so that Alexa will play for you. You can just need to cast, and if you don't want, you can just click on this one, and you can click on disconnect, so that it will be disconnected if you're not listening. And if you find like your Alexa Echo device is not capable of having a good sound, so what you can do is I'll show one trick. So it's easy trick guys, it's not like rocket science. So I just connected. The song is playing again here. Then I will ask like Alexa, connect to speakers. Alexa, connect to speakers. For that you need to pair your Bluetooth speaker. I have JBL Go. I already paired to this one guys, so that it works fine.
Searching. You're already connected to JBL Go. To connect a different speaker, go to the Alexa app.
Yes, playing from here. Okay, that's all guys. Thanks for watching. I just want to share this new information to everyone so that everyone can get benefit out of it. Yeah, thanks guys. Please like and subscribe this channel. Thanks. We'll see you in next video. Bye bye.